What's good, y'all? I know y'all see the title and the thumbnail, man, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I wanted to do the startup with you guys. It's not a cold start, but you know, let me just go ahead and start up the whip. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Now, if you guys haven't been following along and it's your first video, this car is tuned with E85, pushing about 320 to the wheel. So let's go ahead and give y'all a rev, man. Woo! And then let's go ahead and put it in personal. Woo, you really feel it. Pause. But personal is sport mode, y'all. A lot of people say, like, when I do these videos, you're not in sport, you're not in sport. I am in sport. I just took active trace off. And I haven't did one of these videos in so long, bro. Woo! It's time to tear these streets up again like I used to. And I know you guys may ask, why is it switching at 6,500 RPMs? It's because this is the VR TCM. It's not the VQ TCM, it's the VR. So, you know, VR's changes at 6,500 RPM. Dang, in my way. I'm trying to tear the block up. Gosh, bro, like, this car I want to just pull, bro. Like, man, if you like skeptical about getting a tune, bro, get a tune, bro. Get a tune and do the whole E85 thing. It's like, this car just be ready to go, bro. Like, it's so fun to drive this car, man. I can't wait till I get the G35 tune with E85, because I already know that's gonna be a beast within himself. I'm like, dang, man, this is gonna be great, bro. This is gonna be great. This is nice. I love it. I love it. It's the perfect weather to like do all these pulls and stuff too, because it's not hot outside. It's like kind of cool, so the engine is getting all the cold air. You know, the colder the air, the more power you get. So it's the perfect weather to be doing this in. Not heat soaking my car or nothing, bro. This is great. Who's that revving up their car? Man, they ain't heard this Q50 though. They ain't heard this Q50 though. They ain't hear this though. They didn't hear this Q50. Come on. Come on. I know you can pass this bus, Versa. I know you can do it, Versa. Come on. Come on, Versa. Come on. Damn. Failed me. The Versa failed me. The Versa is too slow. Gotta get behind the bus. Gotta get behind the bus, because the Versa is too slow. We could have made that light, bro. If the Versa just, you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. We got places to be. Time is not on my side today. I got videos to make. I gotta do some more pulls. Come on. It's a bit of traffic out today. I usually don't like to make these videos around this time because it's a lot of traffic out, but we're gonna do the best we can do, man, because it looks like a lot of people going down the back street right now, unfortunately. But we gonna make sure we get some good pulls in today, though, for sure, for sure. Woo! Traction control off, boy. Come on, y'all. Dang, get out of my way. I'm trying to go crazy, man. I'm trying to go crazy down these back roads, bro. Let's go. Q time. That's what I'm talking about. Now that was good. That was good. That got my adrenaline pumping now. Come on, y'all. Before I do some hot shit. Come on. Now that was a pull right there, bro. Now that's something that I wanted to do. I wanted to launch this thing, bro. I wanted to launch it. I don't even think that was like a good launch, but it was something, you know what I'm saying? I was something. Oh, look at him, he coming behind me. Like, he wanna have fun too. Let's have fun there. I see you, Dash, man. Let's have fun there. But we got these cars in the way, man. I can't do nothing with these cars in the way. Come on, man. I'm trying to do something, trying to go crazy. Oh, he trying to go crazy. Come on, bro, he trying to go stupid. If you do something stupid, I'm doing something stupid too. He must have seen that launch and said, buddy with that Q50, man. That boy on some ish. That boy on some ish right now. Left. Buddy gone. But oh, he gone. Oh, he's shooting his content too. I see the little 360 camera. Okay, everybody's shooting content today. It's a content day. I'm gonna make the block hot. I'm gonna tear up the block and I'm gonna make it hot. Now let me slow down, because we got the academy right over here. Right over here. Let me slow down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let me slow down. I know I didn't, you feel me, I didn't do it right, but I just tried to make something quick, because, you know, they be over there, they be posted over there, so Reg gotta, you know, feel me, gotta be safe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This Q50, man, that's all I gotta say, bro. It's a lot of traffic out, man. Like, I didn't expect it to be like this, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I should have came out earlier. I got like a lot more videos I gotta get done today too, so I don't wanna drag this on for too long. But let's go ahead and do a pull real quick. Woo! Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, as much as I did making it. Now I'm finna go ahead and end this video. Ooh, I just love the red matches on this car. Love the red matches. This is great. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, man, if you haven't already. Got more content coming out, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
They was praying that I fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young. Finna ball off. And it's still West Side Pasadena.